Alright, good afternoon everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 box break site. Back with Sunday afternoon auction break. This one was 1112 SPX. So if you guys want more of these Sunday afternoon auctions, let me know and I'll continue to post. So we'll quickly run through our teams. We'll choose our VIP team of the break and give a couple people their Scrabble letters. So it's January 27th, 3:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So our participants, we got Bummer Boy, who's got a few teams in this one. Crow, Zach Laurie, Chappie, Golf Nut, DJ Nell's mom got her Devils. Felix Victoria, Phyllis got the Penguins. Newcomer, we got Linda Scout in there with her Sharks. And Kiri got the Maple Leafs. Welcome to the breaks. So 3 5+ team winners. So each of you will get another pack of 12-13 Series 1 in your package. And each of you will now get your letter. So if you don't know about the spell and win, make sure to check on the forum and see the variety of different prizes you can spell and win. So we'll start with Bummer Boy. Bummer Boy, your letter for 5+ teams will be the letter I. Bummer Boy gets an I. For Golf Nut, Golf Nut, the letter N. And for Crow, Crow gets the letter V. Don't know if that's any help for you, Crow. Alright, we'll choose our VIP team of the break. Our VIP team of the break, if that team receives a hit in the break, owner of that team gets a $12 bidding credit. So our VIP team for this Sunday afternoon break of 1112 SPX will be the Colorado Avalanche. Will be our VIP team of the break, and Colorado is Bummer Boy. So if we get a Colorado hit, Bummer Boy gets a $12 bidding credit. Our box number, as stated in the description, 95743-598. Keep in mind, Crow, that I'll be posting more spell and win cards as I get them that I purchased on eBay. Alright, good luck everyone. Bonus pack. Box is empty. Alright, pack number 1. All the hits will be sent out. If you need any specific base, please let me know. Base. Base. Finite rookie number 284 out of 499 for the Nashville Predators and Bummer Boy, Jonathan Blum. And base. And we'll have to random this one off. And this could get Bummer Boy his $12 bidding credit. We got a dual jersey winning combos between Patrick Waugh and Martin Brodeur. So we'll random that one off at the end between Bummer Boy, who has Colorado. DJ and Ella's mom has New Jersey. Vanek Kiprusoff, base. Base pack. Jackets winning combos between Colorado and New Jersey. So Colorado was your VIP team. So if we roll, we'll do a random for that one, and if Colorado wins, you get a $12 bidding credit. And base. Another base. Base. For the Ottawa Senators and Golf Nut, finite rookie number 36 out of 499, Colin Greening. And a base. No, it's actually a really good hit. The finite rookies actually have good value. For the Winnipeg Jets and Golf Nut, rookie numbered 205 out of 499, Paul Postma. And a base. Base. And a base. Another base pack. Base. Dual jersey winning materials for the Boston Bruins and Bummer Boy, Cam Neely. And base. 3 packs left in our bonus pack. Nice. Dual jersey winning combos. Patches. Going to Golf Nut and the Philadelphia Flyers. Numbered 8/15, Claude Giroux and James Van Riemsdyk. Giroux and JVR dual patches. Congrats to Todd. Autographed rookie jersey numbered 620/799 going to Bummer Boy and the Buffalo Sabres, Zach Cassian. And base and last pack. Yeah, that was a Zach Cassian. Cassian, and it's still a Buffalo Sabre. And rookie materials for the New Jersey Devils and DJ and Ella's mom, Adam Larson. Who I'm shocked that isn't getting any playing time for New Jersey. And base. Alright, we'll do our bonus pack. Tim Thomas, Patrick Kane, Mika Kiprusoff, Evander Kane, and Ice Premier going to the Ottawa Senators, numbered 785/999, Stefan DaCosta. And Ottawa was Golf Nut. So congrats, Todd. Doing well in the break. Alright, we got one card to random, then we'll move on to our bonuses. So we'll roll the die. Numbers 1 to 15 will be the Colorado Avalanche. And 16 to 30 will be New Jersey. So Bummer Boy has Colorado. DJ Nell's mom has New Jersey. Let's roll the die and see who's walking away with that winning combos. Lands on a 20. So a 20 will be the New Jersey Devils. So New Jersey gets the winning combos card. Since we did pull a card that did have Colorado, I'll still issue a $12 bidding credit to Bummer Boy. So congrats, Jack. Alright, moving on to our bonuses. No-hit bonus cards for this break. Canadian Cloth from Canada vs. the World, Daryl Sittler. And joining the Sittler will be from Crown Royal, Red Parallel of Jonathan Quick. We'll give our chips a mix. If we pick out a chip where that team received a hit, we'll just pick again. So no-hit bonus cards going to the owner of the Chicago Blackhawks, who are owned by Zach Laurie. So congrats to Zach Laurie. No-hit bonus cards coming your way. Alright, let's take our 3 chips for bonus box break 16, which should happen in the next couple of weeks. Unfortunately, I hear Limited is being delayed once again, so we'll have to I'll choose another product to do. First spot for bonus box break 16 will be the Boston Bruins and Bummer Boy. Second spot, the Detroit Red Wings, assuming that's Crow. And third one, will be the Montreal Canadiens and Crow.